some point that we have to food about the we have to see about the blood capillaries. So arteries carry blood away from various organ of body. So that is why obviously that carry blood away from the heart to the various organs of the body. That is why it comes with high speed. So basically the blood arteries have to be thick and elastic. On the other hand, if we say vein that collect blood from different organ and bring back to heart. As obviously vein collect blood from different organ and bring back to the heart, they don't need thick wall because blood is no longer under pressure. Instead, they have Webbles ensure that blood flow only in one direction. So basically, what is about the veins artery? Veins obviously it's carry blood to the different parts of organs, so its speed of the blood should be high, and that is why for it the blood capillaries have to be thick so that control the high pressure. At the same time, it should be elastic because high pressure obviously leads to the force on the walls and that's to it stretching of the walls, and that is why it should be elastic to sustain that high blood pressure. At the same time, blood vein collect blood from different organs and bring back to heart, so its speed is usually less. So it did not bring any thick wall, but because the blood is slower, so if it do not go back, so there will be need valves to stop the blood from back. On reaching an organ or tissue, artery divide into small vesicle to bring blood in contact of every cell. Basically, as the blood capillary reaches, it should be divided into small blood capillaries so that each cells which are present got its supply, and that is why it should be breaking down into smaller blood capillaries so that blood can get in contact with every cell. Small vessel have wall are one cell thick. Called capillaries. So basically, the small cells have walls which are only one cell thick. So these are capillaries. And why it's one cell thick walls? Because for the effects in the diffusion should take place. So that's why the wall should be only one cell thick enough for the diffusion process. Exchange of material between blood surrounding cell take place across thin. Now, this thin walls are basically for the reason that is why the exchange of material take place. And obviously this capillary convey to form vein that take join to form vein then take blood away from organ or tissues. After that, this capillary, when they reach final out cell, this small capillaries, after reaching the cell and after diffusion take place, this small capillaries wave together to form veins, which again take bad blood away from the organs or the tissues.